Hello everyone, so on today's Mary Kay moment, we're going to be talking about the product SATIN Hands. It's a pampering set for your hands. And this is the white tea and citrus set. And we do have one that has no scent, but this is white tea and citrus. It starts off with a softener. Next you have the shea scrub. Third is the shea cream. So we're going to go through these 3 steps, really simple and easy. First, you get your softener, protecting softener. Put a little bit on your hand, doesn't take a lot. You're going to rub it in. So you're going to already feel your hands getting soft. So you have an issue with hand being dry, or just you do a lot of your hands in water a lot. You want to keep them moisturized and looking good and soft. This is for you. Good product. Next, we're going to take the shea scrub. So you're going to have little beads in this. Take a little bit goes a long way, like I said. And we're going to just rub your hands, and you're going to feel the little scrub, the little beads in the product. And you do need to rinse this off. So I have a bowl of water, so I'm going to just rinse my hands off. It doesn't take long. And dry your hands. After your hands are dry, you're going to do the third and final step, which is the shea cream. I just use a little bit, not a lot. And it's the last and final step to pamper your hands. And this is also what we use when you're doing a facial or pampering session. This is the product, this is one of the products that we use. So don't forget to book your pampering session with me. But this is the product for today on Mary Kay Moment, SATIN Hands, White Tea and Citrus kit, and you can get this at my website www.marykay.com/Monica Gary. See you next week.